Hello, I'm Stewart Turner. I work at the UK Met Office, but my role in the OSI SAF is to represent the wider EUMETSAT Member States. So the steering group of the OSI SAF its role is to look at the progress of the SAF and the products it's developing and how that compares against the plan that was agreed for each 5-year period. We look at things like products as they are made operational and reviews of those products. We look at the proposals for visiting scientists for doing shorter pieces of work and federated activities, which is where the SAFs work alongside other SAFs. And of course, we keep an eye on the finances and check that EUMETSAT are having their money spent wisely. The meetings take place twice a year. One of those meetings is in person and the other one is normally a virtual meeting. It's co-chaired by Olivier Rousseau from Meteo France and Lothar Schuler from EUMETSAT. Also on the group we have Ole Korup-Leth from DMI, Jeanette Onvli from KNMI, Jørn Christensen from Met Norway, and from EUMETSAT we have Estelle Obligi and Joachim Salmuller, and myself from UK Met Office and the wider membership representation. Other participants we have, of course, Cecile Hernandez, who is the project manager of the SAF, and Hervé Roque, the scientific coordinator, and Kleber Balan from EUMETSAT. I focus on the operation of current satellite programs and issues that we have with it and its performance. I think about forthcoming satellite programs in the future and think about strategic elements like that. So it's very nice within the SAF that I get to spend some time with a community who extract the data from the satellites and convert it into products that are of use to actually benefit the society from. And that, after all, is the whole point. Satellite that I've always felt very close to is the Jason 3 satellite, and that's partly because that was the first one that I saw through from working on the UK's business case and approval through to seeing the satellite launched in 2016. And it's very dear to my heart because I saw it all the way through the process from the UK's point of view and was able to see that satellite enter operations. In my spare time, I build electric guitars, and I make sure that there's a tribute to the OSI SAF in my building process by making sure that all of those guitars can play a C. I can't keep my eyes open.